How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Destroy Gray Productions with another video. And in this video, we're going to be going to the factory wheel outlet, and we're going to be having some things from the engine bay painted to match the color of the car and the custom strut bar that I had made. So that custom strut bar should come in tonight, and I will be giving you guys a little update on that, showing you guys exactly what it looks like, who made it, where you can get one yourself, and yeah, so a lot of the pieces of the engine bay are going to be painted and ready for Mopar on the Mountain this Saturday, which I'm pretty stoked about. I cannot wait for Mopar on the Mountain. So there's going to be an expected 500 to 1,000 cars, and that's what people are saying anyways. So we shall see the turnout. I'm guessing that there's going to be some pretty cool roll races on the way to Castle Rock, Washington. And then from there, everyone will go up to Johnston's Ridge by Mount St. Helens and just chill and have dinner, meet everybody, meet and greet. It'll be pretty cool. It'll be a good time. Also got my buddy Alec flying in from California. He's extremely stoked, and he's going to be the little co-pilot here doing all the video for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And secondly, my channel got monetized. So yeah, that's a huge milestone for this channel. Could not be happier at the moment. It's super cool. I didn't think it was ever going to happen, but it happened, guys. So yeah, just if you guys are waiting to be monetized, just know that it's gonna be a little bit of a wait, but it's worth it. So just make sure that you stick it out and just don't give up. But I'm headed to meet the girlfriend at our favorite little breakfast place, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna split off. She's actually got to go to work, and then I'm gonna head to the factory wheel outlet. So let's get this video started. It's gross out today. Alright, here's our favorite little place. The Kitchen Table Cafe. And that guy was extremely too close to me. Asshole. Gotta park away from everybody when you get the chance. And we've made it. Goodbye. Bye. There she is, Miss America. Miss America? You know we're merging onto the freeway, right? Funny story, I used to deliver this stuff by hand. I cringe literally every time I see a job site or I see this stuff on the back of a truck. Bring me my packages. You're going the wrong way. Alright, so I just dropped the car off at factory. Well, I didn't drop the car off. I dropped the pieces off that I'm getting painted at Factory Wheel Outlet here. He's going to do all the detail work. I'm going to pick this stuff up on Friday, and as soon as I get home, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I took off the car in order to, you know, get it fixed up for Mopar on the Mountain this Saturday. So let's drive home, show you guys as soon as I get home, and then, yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, now that I'm home, I'm going to pop the hood, show you guys exactly what I've taken off to get painted. You guys ready for this? Alright, so first things first, valve covers. Those are getting painted. Both sides, gonna look real nice. Next up, we have the plates right here. These are all gonna be painted, color matched to the car. We got the fuse box that's also going to be painted. And then we have the washer fluid cap that's going to be painted. I think I'm just gonna buy some rattle can and paint this black for the show. And then obviously we're going to have those sooner or later cut to match the strut bar, and the strut bar will go across the engine. Which is going to be pretty cool, guys. I cannot wait for this to all come together and look amazing for the show. But yeah, guys, that is a little update on Artemis, what is going to be happening to her and how good she's going to look for Mopar on the Mountain. So yeah, guys, just wanted to make a quick little video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I cannot wait for this stuff to be done and show you guys, because it's going to look like a completely different car. Like, the engine bay is going to look nuts. I can't wait to see it. I've seen so many different cars that have been souped up in their engine bay, some dress up, and it looks so good. So yeah, guys, leave a like, check out some other videos, subscribe if you already haven't, and if you're new to the channel, and I'd appreciate the fuck out of you guys. So let's go, guys. Let's get to 5,000 subscribers so I can give this next giveaway away. So let's go, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Take it easy, guys. Before I go, just want to thank every single one of you for helping me get monetized, because I couldn't do it without you guys. That's it. See ya.